And these books are really heavy. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, deep breath. Just walk through. Everything is gonna be fine.
Is it her?
Yeah, like seriously.
Ew, disgusting.
Oh, everybody is staring at me. Alright, I still need to get to my classes. This is so embarrassing.
Oh, she's not gonna make it here. Hey, check this out. This is no place for uglies like you.
Ouch! Oof, careful, that hurts. Oh my, what is that?
Hello, world. How do you do, pretties? Wow, hey, you look amazing. Yes, I know.
She's so amazing.
Oh.
I just wanted to give you this. I've collected them specially for you.
Gosh, you have no taste at all. Oops, sorry.
Are you okay? Please, let me help you.
Did you see that? She's helping him. Girls, we have a match here. Yeah, we have. We have indeed.
Why do you always do this? Gosh, you're so mean.
Oh boy.
You're all so cruel. Why do you do this to me? This is so unfair. I didn't choose to be like this. So why you all treat me like that?
But crying won't help here.
Oh my goodness. My skin is a total mess.
The mirror never lies.
Wait, what?
Ugh, I cannot stand it anymore.
Oof, even reflection ran away from me. But what is that? Interesting. Let me take a look. How to become a beautiful mermaid. Wow! First, I need to clear my skin. Okay, I think I needed to do it a long time ago. Ouch! No, I have to find another way. Oh, hey! Hey, gorgeous. Can you help me? Please help me get rid of these pimples.
Of course, sweetie, of course. We'll all help you. Just put us on your skin and let us do the job. Almost done.
That's really unusual. Sorry.
Done.
I can't! Wait a minute. My skin! I can't believe it! Let me take a look. Wow, that fast? But my hair… Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a disaster. I'll never fix this mess. It's impossible. Oh dear.
Is this one occupied? Oops, sorry. I just wanted to grab some toilet paper. Well, I guess you needed more.
Thank you. It's really tasty, but ew, what's that weird thing? How's this thing happen to be here? Wait, what's inside? Let me wash it all then. There must be more of it, I'm sure. You're ugly? It's her again! She's so annoying!
Oh, looks like she's got our message. Well done, girls. Let's go. Oh, and I have another idea.
Hey, what's going on there?
Crying
What's
like
up, girls?
a baby. It's that weirdo sitting there crying her eyes
No way.
out. We
Did
just
you-
pranked her. Hey, where is he? Where did he go? Shut up. He must have come to her. I bet he did. What's wrong with her?
So what's next? Yeah, that perfect smile! Great! Let's see what we can do here. Gosh, it's scary to even look at it! I do! Huh?
Why me? Why today?
Oh my goodness, what happened to you, sweetie?
Let's do the test. I got an F. See? This is unfair.
Oh, poor thing. Please, don't cry. I'm sure we can fix this. So, what can we do here? Let me think. I think it's easy. Let's turn this into A, then add a plus, and circle it. It looks pretty authentic. As if you really got an A+. Take a look!
Really? Wow, it is amazing! Thank you so
You
much!
see? There was nothing to cry about.
Thanks!
Don't mention it.
But what's wrong with your teeth? Ew!
What?
I know what can help you here. Come on, my little one. Squeeze and go. Very good. Now open your mouth. Just like that. Nice! And now let's rinse it all. Come on, don't be afraid.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax, it's done.
Feels so clean. Wow, awesome!
Now it looks perfect. And you? Do you like it too, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button below. Thank you. Now I must go. Thanks for your help.
Bye, dear. Thank you, too. Amazing. Just a few more touches and it's done. Perfect.
So how is our little ugly doing? Let me take a look. Oh, she's been quite busy here. If she continues this way, we won't recognize her in just a few hours. I guess we need to help her a bit here. To help her amazing transformation. This will do it.
Finally! Whoa! Ouch!
Oops. Yes, gotcha.
Wait a minute. Who spilled all this? Huh? Pearls? They look so shiny. Oh, I know what to do with this. We'll use everything. Everything will come in handy. One by one, one by one. It's all about patience. So wonderful. Check this out. Isn't it wonderful? I've never had anything like that before. Oh, right. We need to take off the old necklace first. Yeah, now the new one? Cool, isn't it? It looks so fabulous.
I can't believe it. She's really getting out of every situation. Fine, you win this round. But this battle isn't over yet.
Ooh, hello, beautiful. Hello, a date with you? Sure. La 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 la, ooh.
And he was just standing there, watching.
This isn't like him.
Please don't notice me. Please don't look.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey, where was it?
I'm sure you two will be just fine.
Oh, you dropped something. Oh, so embarrassing. It must be yours.
Thank you. Oh, such a pretty necklace. Where did you get it?
I've made it myself and... Ouch!
Get your paws off me!
Whoa, so rude.
I didn't know I got my back.
Well. This outfit is so geeky.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so clumsy. I just... that's my makeup.
Let us help you then.
Oh, yeah?
Sit here and take off these nasty glasses. You don't need them. Don't worry, we'll give them to you back. Now close your eyes. Good. And nice rosy cheeks.
And this. Well, beauty demands scar faces, dear.
Now add some sparkling and pearls.
And don't forget about the lips.
Amazing. You are so beautiful. Come on, take a look in the mirror.
Wow! Unbelievable! I've never looked this beautiful ever in my life! Wow! Girls, you're my saviors! I don't even know how to thank you! Take these flowers from all my
Oh,
heart!
thank you.
They are really beautiful.
I think we've done a great job here. Let's go.
That girl is doomed to... Hey! What? Where have you been? Wait a minute. And these flowers? Where did you get them? I see.
See you then.
Bye! This is just unbearable. They have switched to the ugly side. They have betrayed me.
Cool! They finally noticed me and it helped! Wow! But my hair? What about my hair? Oh, come on! Finally! Oh my gosh! What a mess! It's so itchy! Wait, bugs? I can't believe it! I should have washed it all before going to school! Why didn't I do it? Quick! The more for the better! So gross! We need to get rid of these creepy things as fast as possible! I hope it will really help! I'm ready to try anything right now! And water! Of course, we need to wash it all off! Whew! One thing is done, and what is it in here? I think we can use this too for the weightiest hair ever! Attach it very carefully, and then wait a bit! I hope the results will be splendid! I've done my best! Wow! I've made it! I've made it! But, this outfit! I cannot walk like this anymore! Bye-bye, dear! You were very comfy, but I need to change. I'm sure something is missing here. Ah, right! The crown! Now I'm ready!
Hello, handsome. How about you and me going somewhere?
Maybe next time.
No. Please don't go.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. It's her. Holy mermaid. How did she do it? Jewelry? Cool outfit? Is it really her? Makeup, hair, dress, and the crown. Wow. And the purse.
Come on, don't be shy.
Sorry.
Alright, take a deep breath and...
Marry me, get off. Don't bother me.
Just look. Over there.
Look. Oh, see? It's her.
Really? Wow.
Will you go out with me?
What?
Yeah, sure.
But, I can't believe it. It's all you. You did this.
Come on, let's get out of here.
But, guys, I just... Oh, no. Hey, what's that?